back to the Wendigo. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. And if you're already a subscriber, be sure to have post notifications turned on so you don't miss any of my new content. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video. Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well, and thank you for tuning into Moose Motion. This episode is part 4 in the How to Make a Wendigo series. If you have not caught up on the rest of the series, I suggest you go do that before finishing this episode. Links are available in the post description below. That is where you will see the skeleton being constructed. This episode we will be working on the first layer of clay and getting down, well, the second layer, at least the foundations. And by that I mean basically adding muscle tone. What we're doing kind of right now is just kind of building up and reinforcing the extra joints so that way we don't have any mishaps, because it's very unfortunate when these things start to break because it takes a lot longer to fix it than it does to, make it, I would have to say. So for those of you who are also making dolls, be very, very gentle, because it is much more of a pain in the butt to fix it than it is to make it. Luckily, we've been very, lucky so far on this project. We haven't had any major setbacks or anything breaking. Hopefully I have not jinxed it by saying this. That being said, a lot of the major delicate work has been finished, which will be seen later on in this video, which mostly involves the skull details, which is a lot of painting and a little bit of pen work as well, which helps give the skull a lot more character, as well as definition, and honestly looks a lot scarier towards the end. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode of How to Build a Wendigo. Be sure to smash that like button if you do, leave a comment in the comment section below what you think so far, and be sure to subscribe if you're new, and if you're a subscriber already, be sure that I highly appreciate your support, and be sure to have post notifications turned on. Anyway, that's enough from me. I will see you at the end of the episode. Oh, actually, one more thing. Be sure to keep your eyes peeled for Milton the Moose. He is my other little moose character. If you are the first to spot him and timestamp what time he shows up in the video, I will pin your comment at the top of the comment section. Good luck, dear viewer. Hello again, dear viewer, and this will wrap up this episode for now, and thank you for sticking around to the end. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to smash that like button if you haven't done so already. As you can see, put quite a lot of detail into the skull this episode, which will pretty much wrap that up for now. Be sure to tune in next week, where we'll be adding on the antlers, the part I've been kind of dreading. It shouldn't be too easy, but we'll see how it turns out. And for you gearheads, I do have a video I'll be working on. It'll be more or less a set building process before the actual animation comes out. But we'll be adding on the second layer of muscles next week as well, so hopefully we'll get the Wendigo all finished, which would be kind of neat. That way, perhaps I can do some SCP animations. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next week. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new. Anyway, that's enough from me. Till next time, take it easy.